Willys by the car manufacturer Jeep are a symbol of Colombia. They were produced by the US for military purposes during World War II, but they were never actually used in war. They were used by the Colombian coffee producers who transport coffee. The first Willys arrived to Colombia in 1946, and they replaced the transport that was made by animals. Willys nowadays, they serve other purposes. They transport travelers to Valle de Cocora. The Willys Jeep depart on a daily basis from Salento to Valle Cocora. There are hundreds of Willys Jeeps transporting people every day. Each Willys is capable of transporting up to 15 people. If you ever go to Eje Cafetero, take a Willys and enjoy the beautiful view to Valle de Cocora.
Hoy canto para recordar los años que allá viví. Colombia linda, no te puedo olvidar. Siento mucho orgullo de haber nacido allí.
Ano sa kayo, Sobi? Juanito.
Ay, ay. Maldives. Maldives.
Alright, peraí, cuidado. Olha isso. Filmazo.
Bruna.
Colombia, aquí estamos.
Vimos.
Ya, estoy a tirada. Ya, pero espera, ven. Wow. Ja, zijn er maar van jou. Gente, ¿cómo estamos, Daniel?
Bien.
Estamos bien ahí, bravo.
Bravo.
Ahí estamos, Colombia.
O primeiro sobrevive. E é para ficarmos com o vídeo.